Members of the Familias Unidas organization in the Chamizal neighborhood holding a protest right now in downtown El Paso. Thanks for joining us. I'm Natasha Paloma. The group calling on the state to support the reassessment of pollution levels right here in El Paso. KTSM 9 News reporter Aaron Montes is in downtown at the protest now.
Natasha, right now members of the organization Familias Unidas del Chamizal are calling on the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality to support the reassessment of air pollution levels here in the region. This group is part of a federal lawsuit challenging the EPA's assessment of air pollution levels. The group is part of a federal lawsuit challenging the Environmental Protection Agency's assessment of air pollution levels in El Paso. In 2018, the EPA designated El Paso's air pollution levels as acceptable despite a study of their own with the contrary. I'm with Semeli de Aslan, who's part of the Familias Unidas del Chamizal group, who's here to talk a little bit about the protest. Semeli, can you tell us a little bit about your all's calling on the TCEQ?
Most definitely. What we've seen is TCEQ protecting the polluters instead of the people. Last year, out in the state of Texas, they only fined 3% of the violators. That really shows you who they're really protecting. When we filed this lawsuit, before we could take a breath of celebration, they were contesting the fact that we won the lawsuit to demand that they reassess the data and acknowledge that we're not in attainment here in El Paso. We do have a lot of industry that are over encroaching upon our not only human rights but our health and our future. TCEQ wants to use an outdated loophole trying to blame Juarez for this pollution, but the data shows that El Paso is contributing more pollution at 71 parts per billion to the problem. And so the United States needs to take a stand, our officials need to take a stand, and we need this cleaned up and to invest in renewable energies.
Thank you so very much, Semeli. And we've asked for the TCEQ's comment on today's protests and on their part of the lawsuit. Live from downtown El Paso, I'm Aaron Montes.
Aaron, interviewing protesters there in downtown El Paso. Thank you.